Okay, now let's see an example on how to create custom tokens. So we need to set the new token to the Morgan instance. So this is Morgan.token. First, we need to pass the string that we are going to use as the token. So let's say that we want to log the body of the post requests. So here we can use body. And we need to pass a callback function here. This callback function receives the request. And using this request, we need to return what is the value that we want to log. So in this case, we're going to log the body of the request. So this is request.body. And to format this log properly, we need to use stringify. So this is json.stringify. And we're going to pass the body as a JSON object, as we are doing here. So I want to pass this JSON object, and I want to show that JSON as part of my logs. So first, I need to add this token as part of the format. So this is :body. Okay, and now if I run a post request, sending this JSON as the body of the request, as we can see here, we have the URL, the HTTP method, and now we have the body of the request. Now let's say that we want to just log the identifier that we receive in a request. So first, let's create a new endpoint to return a book by ID. So this is /books/:ID. And let's show the identifier here. This is get by ID from Express Router. And let's return the ID. And this is request.params.id. And now let's go to the app and let's add a custom token to show the ID as part of the logs. So this is Morgan.token. Here we are going to use ID as the string that is going to be part of the format. And here we have this function, and here we just return request.params.id. And we are going to add the ID as part of this format string. So this is :ID. Okay, now let's run a get request passing 123 as the ID. And as we can see here, we get the identifier as part of the logs. The same if we pass 456, for example. Again, we have the identifier and the rest of the elements that we added here in our middleware. That's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one.